Okay, so this is the final one. This is the transformation example. What should I do it with? I'll go back to this one. Go back to this one. Actually, I'll just do it with yours because there's already a shape. So if you want to move this along, all we have to do is just do transform, just search it in. And now we can actually we can actually transform this by line or by X, Y, Z, so we can actually just move up and down like that. We can rotate it 30 degrees axis like that. We can copy in its place, so copy in place. I guess that just makes another one. We can scale it up and down. This is important because as long as we make our shape, we can use just easy numbers, and then we can just scale it up and down to get the desired length that we want. So if this is dimensions, if we just click on it, it just tells you 20, 20, 22. If we want it 11, we just scale it by yeah. We can just pick any point, honestly. It just shrinks it from that point.